Hey guys, Neil here. Welcome back to another video. And yes, today we're going to talk about Pixels and how's it going right now. We're also gonna talk about the current tokenomics and also check what happened on the previous AMA. Obviously, there's just a bunch of questions, but again, chapter 2 is delayed. It has something to do with the fact that the team is just very small, and of course, we can't avoid burnout. So they're probably just taking it slow at the moment. Let's talk about Pixel as well, guys. Bitcoin recently broke the lower high, and it's probably affecting some of the coins as well, like Ron. So if you guys can see here on the daily time frame, Ron has this big candle after hitting this key level as well. So if we're gonna check the 4 hours, you guys can clearly see here that Ron is doing the same movement as what the Bitcoin is doing right now. Bitcoin is having this bullish move and is probably going to pull back a little bit and then go back to around 70k. So if we're gonna check the daily time frame of Bitcoin, we can see here that we also have this lower high that we need to break. Once we break that, we're going back to 70k. Now, if we're gonna check Pixel, it is also kind of like bouncing on this support. Yeah, we can clearly see that it's not yet breaking this support. Obviously, it's still on bearish trend. As you can see, this move right here, it's a lower high. And then here we got another lower low. Hopefully, guys, we bounce on this support. We have tried and tested this before. And we pumped for like 30% going to the 50 cents price. I think the market is just slowing down. But once we have chapter 2 and once we get more demand of Pixel token, I believe we're going to pump real soon. So we have this resistances that we need to break as well. We are doing fine. We are just ranging at this zone and possibly gonna have the same move as Bitcoin. But again, guys, it's all supply and demand. If we have more demand for Pixel token, that is the time that the price will go up and go back to somehow $1 if everything goes according to plan. Yeah, we have $1 as our all-time high. So yeah, let's hope for the best and hope for chapter 2 to arrive soon. We're hoping for more Pixel token demand like spec upgrade and pet mints. And hopefully we don't break this price level at around 32 cents. And yeah, keep grinding, guys. The more you grind at this bearish moment, the more that you will deserve it on bullish times. This is all, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, guys.